Hey guys, welcome back to Consumer Set. Let's talk about the lesson for today. So in the assignments category, you'll click on Trends in Consumer Mobility Report. It's going to open a Google document. Google document is going to ask you to look at a PDF file that has a lot of information about people and groups that use P2P or person-to-person payments. So once you look at that, you can answer the questions. So number one is asking you about how are millennials using P2P? Are they using it a lot, or are they using it less than other groups? Number two, what are the four expenses that younger millennials are using P2P on? So where is their money going to when they use P2P? And number three, what are the repayment time of P2P users when you compare it to other ways of repaying, like cash or with a check, and why? So click on the link and it's going to open a PDF file. Once again, go to page 2. That's where it starts. And then so it's saying adoption of P2P, where P2P means person-to-person payment. So when you use Venmo, when you use Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung. And then it's the first part is asking, saying millennials. So millennials are people that were born between 1977 and 1995. Gen Xers are people that were born between 1976 and 1965. Baby Boomers are people that were born between 1946 and 1964. And then seniors are people who are older than those years. So because I was born in 1985, I'm considered a millennial, so my group is the one that's using P2P apps the most. But in the future, we're starting to see Gen Xers and Baby Boomers are also starting to use those apps a lot. So your group, you guys are part of Gen Z, which is not in this study, but I'm sure your group will be using these apps also a lot. So let's keep scrolling down, and then this one it says, why do people use P2P apps? So most people said, or 68% said that it was convenient and because it saved time. 48% said because friends were using it, so they decided to use it. 30% said because the bank offered it. This was when people use P2P, how do they feel? 53% said they feel efficient. 38% said they feel normal, alright, and 3% said they feel tech savvy. 27% said they felt organized, and then 25% said confident. When it comes to what people use P2P for, practicality tops the list, with shared bills closely followed by shared expenses for gifts and travel. So bills is what they're mostly spending money on when they use the P2P apps, and then followed by gifts. Consumers are most likely to use P2P with friends, so they are more likely to request money from friends or send money to friends. And then this one is showing how much people are willing to send over apps. So are you willing to send more than $1,000 using an app? How comfortable do they feel? And then just keep looking through the other categories, look at the percentages, and keep in mind the questions, and then go back to the questions, answer them, and that's it for this assignment. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know, and we'll continue next time.